G'day guys, well it's exciting times today. We're about to start another incredible project. So this one is another collaboration with Aaron from Green Coast Building Design. So this is going to be a cracker. It's a canal home, so we've got the canal out the back, we're on the waterway, but you can see the house behind me. It is already an incredible home, but we're about to hit it and we're going to make it even better. We're going to do extensions joining the existing garage to the house. We're doing a pop-out extension to create a new media room space, and then internally we're completely gutting this house. So come with me and I'll show you what we're going to do. So this house is definitely going to throw us some challenges. It's really well built, but it's all double cavity brick. So that means inside and outside, all internal walls are all brickwork, and we've got to rip so much of it out. So over to the right hand side of me here, we're actually going to be pulling half of the side off the existing 3-car garage or 4-car garage, and we're going to be popping it out towards the front yard. That's going to become a laundry, mudroom, huge storage area, a workbench area in the garage, and a large media room. On this side of me here, we've currently got this open area, so the house isn't connected to that space. We're going to be ripping all the old terracotta tiles off this area and doing an extension that joins the existing house to the garage. So this area here is going to become a hallway that links everything together, a guest bathroom to cater for the pool out the back, the media room, and the downstairs living space. And also a huge butler's pantry will also be sort of joined into that linkway. So lots going on this project. All right, so we're now in the existing entry area. So we're going to be ripping out the existing front doors, putting a beautiful big new front door in, but we're also going to be ripping out a lot of this ceiling structure, creating a big open void to let more light into this space. We're ripping out all the existing stairs, and we're going to be putting in a beautiful stained set of hardwood stairs with open treads. That way, when we open the back of the house up, you're going to be able to stand at the front door, look straight through this area, straight out the back, and see the boats out in the canals. It's going to be awesome. If you come with me through to this side of the house, this is currently a big media or rumpus room. This is now going to become a family room, living type room. So in this room here, we're not doing a lot of work. We're the entire ground floor, we're ripping out the travertine, which look, it's one of those things, it is a bit of a waste, but the clients want timber floors. So we're pulling out the travertine throughout the entire house. In this room, we're ripping out the ceiling, and we're going to be doing a lot of work to refurb this beautiful old fireplace and bring it into the 21st century. So we're now into the heart of the house. So I'm currently standing in the existing kitchen area. The clients have actually sold the kitchen, so that's good. We've been able to repurpose some of the products in this home, but there is so much work going to be happening in this space. So we're actually tearing out the entire back wall of this house. So huge amount of structural work. We're going to be putting all new steel beams through the ceiling space, and we're actually putting huge big bifolding doors that are going to open out onto the beautiful pool area and out onto the canals. We're ripping out the entire ceilings through here. We're putting new steel beams in because we're getting rid of every internal wall. So this is going to be one big open space. The area I'm standing in now will actually become a dining room, and the new kitchen's going to be over on the other side of the house. It's got an incredible kitchen going in this home. It is huge and it's multi-purpose. It's going to have a dining table built in to the end of the island bench, which is fantastic. Again, all the travertine tiles are coming out, and in this area we've got a lot of concrete cutting to do. So it's one of those things that when we're doing huge renovations like this, it can be hard to sort of explain to the clients why things cost what they cost. And when you actually start on site like we are here on this job, and you start marking out everything that's got to be demolished and things that have to be done so that things can be changed, then it all sort of starts to come to light, because basically on this ground floor there will be nothing left. We're stripping the floors back to bare concrete, we're stripping the ceilings, we're demolishing all the walls, we're completely getting rid of this wall, we're cutting the slab because we've now got to relocate all this sewer pipe work and the water pipe work and the electrical to get to the new island bench, the new kitchen area, the new bathroom. So there's a lot to go on here. We're very pumped about this job because this space and this whole home is going to be transformed from an old sort of 80s, 90s home to a beautiful modern version of a Federation style home. So we're now upstairs, and I want to run you through quickly what we're doing up here. So we are touching basically every single room in this house. So down the other end of the house is currently 2 bedrooms. They've actually got a secret doorway into a huge ceiling space we're going to be punching through that wall and turning that ceiling space into 2 huge walk-in robes for those bedrooms. The existing bathroom and ensuite and powder room completely torn out, so it's a little bit of a shame. There's actually, like, they're fully tiled, marble tiles, floor and walls, and some pretty good plumbing fixtures, but they don't suit the client's needs or their expectations and the layout that we're wanting to achieve here. So completely tearing them out. And then this space that I'm in here at the moment is currently the main bedroom. And on the other side of this wall, we've got another large bedroom. We're actually ripping out all the walls and the bathroom that are between the 2 rooms. And this is going to become a large master suite. So we're going to have a study area, we're going to have a bed area, a huge double ensuite, and a massive walk-in robe. So I can't wait to show you the finished product there. All right guys, well there you go. That's a little bit of an insight into the condition of this existing home and what we're going to be doing to it. So stay tuned. This one's got so much to do. There's a lot of work involved. We're not really doing too much external, but as you can see, internally, completely rebuilding this home. So I can't wait to give you updates and show you what we're going to transform this incredible home into.